Order of operations. When you work out a calculation with more than one operation, such as 2 plus 20 divided by 4, you will get a different answer depending on which part of the calculation you tackle first. That is why we follow a conventional order of operations. Key facts. Always follow the order of operations when you work out a calculation. BIDMAS is a useful acronym to remind you of the order of operations. BIDMAS. There's a handy acronym that tells you the order in which operations need to be performed. BIDMAS. 1. B stands for brackets. Always work out the things in brackets first. Work out the calculation in brackets first, then multiply. If you calculate 4 times 5 first and then add 2, you end up with the answer 22, which is wrong. 2. I stands for indices. Indices is another name for powers or exponents. See page 22. Work out any squares, cubes, or higher powers before moving on to the next operation. Square the 5 first, then multiply. If you work out 4 times 5 first and then square, you end up with 400, which is wrong. 3. DM stands for division multiplication. Always divide and or multiply before adding or subtracting. Neither takes precedence. If there are two similar operations, start from the left. Do the multiplication before the addition. Start from the left with similar operations. 4. AS stands for addition-subtraction. Addition and subtraction are always the last operations. Again, neither takes precedence, but you must work from left to right. If you calculate 2 plus 4 first and then subtract from 8, you end up with 2, which is wrong. Using BIDMAS. Question. Work out 4 plus 3 squared minus, in parentheses, 5 minus 3 times 3. Answer. 1. First, work out the brackets. 2. Then, calculate the powers. 3. Then, do the multiplication. 4. And finally, carry out the addition and subtraction working from left to right. Using a calculator. Scientific calculators follow BIDMAS. Make sure you type your work into the calculator with indices and brackets exactly the way the problem is written. 30 divided by, in parentheses, 3 squared plus 6 equals 2. If you leave out the brackets, you will end up with the answer 9.333333333.